Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2 random crashes. If you want to fix it, click here and then after that go to game mode settings, turn on this option and go to Xbox Game Bar, turn it off, then go back and now go to Windows Update Settings, check for updates, make sure to install the updates that you will find, and then go to Task Manager, click memory, and then make sure to close all applications that you don't need when playing, applications that you know what they do, and that's it. Just close all the applications, right click and end task, and after that go to GeForce Experience drivers and make sure you have the latest update, and that's it. If you find any update, download and install it, and don't forget to like. See you in the next video.